Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Fike from the Black Box. So today in this video we will see how the black box performed on the binary options, and hopefully you will learn something from this video. Okay, on the previous video we have learned that we gotta add some 5% to our black box, and the other thing is we gotta take our 50% on the TP1, which is head of the box, okay, head of the black box. And the other thing is, if the price moves above or moves in our direction a lot, so what you gotta do is you gotta trail your stops at least halfway, okay, until TP3 is hit. If TP3 is hit and the price continues, what you gotta do is trail it more to the upside or the downside where you entered the market. So these are the tips that we have we have learned on the previous trade we took. So today, hopefully, we will learn something better. Okay, as you can see, we got some nice black box right there. It was a nice sell. Right there was another cell, as you can see, beautiful. As you can see, this thing moved down and down and down. That is beautiful. Let's skip ahead. We got a black box right here. We should have both around the opposite now. Okay, we gotta add 5%. That the previous lesson, do not forget that. Add 5%, which means add a breathing space. Okay, breathing space. So you can see another black box. Nothing here, nothing here. All trending, we don't want that. This is a black box right here. This is a black box, great. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles trading sideways, okay? What you gotta do is wait for nope, nope, nope. Oh, look, what kind of mistake I made. Right there was where I should enter, not up there. Right there, okay? I could have prevented that backfire right there, that retest, just because I added 5%. So right there I would have entered the sell, 50% out right there. Do not touch your stop loss, okay? Until that thing moves down and down further. As you can see, this thing retested, came back to your stop loss, as you can see it. And now we are having a reaction. It is coming down, as you can see it, okay? It's coming to your direction, so you gotta wait. Nothing here. We had some black box around it. Nothing here. Right there we had some black box. Look at that. That's beautiful. Right there we had a black box. That's amazing. That's amazing. So you can see this thing consolidated up and down. Add your 5%, which means down. Your box will be down below there. Your box will be above there. Okay. So you can see I sold that thing. Bravo. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's a good one. Let's skip ahead. As you can see, I sold again because I know that this market is gonna keep coming down unless it is a single fake out. Is the third model, unless it is the third model. Okay, in which case it may come up. Okay, as you can see, we won both the trades, and this market is still coming down. Okay, having a resistance right here. Okay, another black box up there formed. As you can see, it is a huge resistance, which that's why we are. This is the second model retesting again. So where do we enter once this thing comes back again? Okay? Once we see a sign of reversal, just like this one, okay? Just like this one. Let's skip ahead. So you can see there we can sell right there again using the second model. It's beautiful black box, typical black box execution. It's amazing. Right right there buy, right there sell, black box. Right there still consolidating, not good. Not good, not good. Skip. So can see still consolidating. That's not good, still trending, so I bought that thing. I gotta wait for 5%, but I had no the patience to wait for that. 5% means stretching this box up, just like that one, up, and stretching this box down, right there, down below. That's where I sell, right there. When that thing comes down, as you can see, I would have what saved a lot of money. Yes, now it is correct, as you can see. Skip ahead. Yep. Now the real breakout happened, as you can see. This is beautiful. As you can see, peak 50% out right there. At that peak right there, at that tip, at the tip 50% out. Stop loss, don't touch it. Don't touch the stop loss. Wait for this thing to move up and up, so you trail it halfway around it. Now you can trail it halfway, okay? Can trail it halfway. There was a buy right there. This is a black box. Right there, you could buy that thing. Another beautiful black box. In this case, what you gotta do is you do not connect the wick right there. It is a single wick, it is long, and you don't connect. Nope, that's not great. Add 5%. I made another mistake, as you can see. Don't make this mistake. Stretch that box up there, up until there. That is a 5% right there. Down there again, the 5% right there. So you said, so you can see. No fake out or no nothing. This is a single fake out right by this candle. This thing, that is amazing third model. An amazing third model. Your 50% will be out right there, half of your profit, and then let the other run. Now once this thing moves a lot, you trail your stop to where? To halfway right there, halfway. Put it halfway. Don't trail it too close because the market could come back and get you out of the trade and later go into your direction, okay, more and more. As you can see, nice sell. This could have been nice sell right there. Could have sell. Yep, that's a good one. That's a good one. As you can see it. We won that thing, as you can see. Another black box here. Add 5%. Add 5%. Up, 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 up. Down, down, down. 5%. Now you buy. Hello, hello. Good hello. Good hello. دراسة شنو فينا كليتنا good. As you can see, sell that thing, sell it. Nice sell right there. That's beautiful right there. That's adding 5% right there, and adding 5% upside too. So that is good. Still a retest. So as you can see, a retest, and look what happened. It went to your TP straight. That's beautiful. Okay, I bought this thing using the, yeah, that's a great buy. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'm already adapted to the market, so I know what the market is gonna do, and the black box makes it very, very simple. Right there was a sale. Look, 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 look that. You could have sold right there. Right? That's amazing. That's amazing. Right there was another sale. Okay. Buy. As you can see, I bought this thing right there. Nice buy. Good both up there, not down here. Added again because of the second model, that is break and retest, break and retest, right? So as you can, that's good, that's good. Let's skip ahead and see this market move up and up. So it's a nice execution and it is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I added and added. I know that that thing is moving up and added and added and added. So that's huge, huge trade. Nice. Look at that. Look at that thing. That's amazing. That is amazing right there. TP hit 50% out. Stop loss up there. Up there. Another buy. Another buy. Another black box. Skip ahead. This thing broke down. We could have sold down there, not up there. Down there, not good. This is not. Still consolidating. I sold that thing early, not good. Now I can sell that thing, right? Down here, not up there. Down here. That's still a retest. Still a retest. Okay. Until that upper band is broken, still a retest. Look. Look what I said, and it happened like a charm. It is amazing. It is amazing. As you can see, TP never hit, which means there is a higher possibility we're gonna come down to our TP. Higher possibility. As you can see, still a retest. Still consolidating. Look what happened. Look. Came back down to your TP. The same thing. That's amazing. That's amazing. We got a black box right there. Let's skip ahead. Yep. Nice buy riser. That's support. That's support. Most likely that's support. So you could have bought that thing and look what happened. It changed direction like crazy. Look, TP is hit 50% out right there. Stop loss. Don't touch the stop loss yet. Don't touch it. Because there could be some kind of support or the second model happen. I bought that thing. I bought it. Yes, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Right there was where I should buy, not down here. I always buy at the retest, but that's not good. That's not good because the market could move, go on without you, okay? Without it doesn't even care about you being there or not. The second model happening here. Okay, I immediately changed it. Sell, beautiful. That is nice, spot on, but not great. I should have sold that because don't forget the 5%. Don't forget the 5%. Look what happened. It retraced back, okay? Your money could have been saved by adding a 5% right there. Down. I told you to add a space. As you can see this thing. Look how beautiful the 5% is. I think that is a retest. Let's skip ahead and see what happened. Okay. The third model happened right there. So it's gonna come down, I think. A retest, still a retest, okay. That is the one. That is the real breakout. If you add 5% or not, that thing will happen. Okay, so I see it. So that thing came back, still a retest, which means we're expecting a bearish movement. I immediately dismissed it. Yeah, that's a buy. That's a buy. Look at that. Look at this. This is a support right here. but I should not have bought that thing. I should have bought right there, not down here, because that thing could have trailed up a little bit and moved down, bursting down. So let's keep ahead and see what happened. So you can see it moved up and up, so it's beautiful. Another black box here. So I dismissed it by right here. That's amazing. That's amazing. Adding 5% means a little bit up, okay? The box will be up, okay? Just don't worry about the 5%. All you gotta do is add a little bit of space. So downside and the upside. That's it. That's it. And wait for the breakout. If that breakout sustains, just like that, that's a huge one. That's a huge one. So you could have sold down here, not up here. Okay? 5% will be down here, okay? So single fake out, which means the third model. Right there again, single fake out, the third model. Right there we have the first model, which is real breakout, as you can see. Boom. If that thing retests, it is the second model, okay? That's it. Just add your 5% to the upside, the downside, and just wait for the break. Yeah, this is the second model. I bought again using the second model. Skip ahead. If that thing breaks down, then it will be the third model, which means single fake out. Still consolidating inside that. Nope. I threw my money away without waiting for the right moment. Not good. Skip ahead. Still consolidating. That's crazy. As you can see, it ended up being the third model, but it lurks around that area like crazy. That's crazy. It's crazy. Sell. So I sold that thing using this three candles here. Let's see what happened. This happened to be the I didn't add the 5%, so not good. You gotta add the 5%. Skip ahead because we don't wanna see this boring part. I'm just searching for the right. That was not a good entry, but I entered it anyway. Let's skip. Yeah, sell. You can sell. Little advancement. We need a little advancement. Skip this thing. Alright, look what happened. Broke the upside. That's crazy. You gotta add the 5%. That 5% will make a whole lot of difference. So maybe next time I will show you adding those 5% and the other risk management, the other things, and you will see the difference. It is crazy. It's crazy. I will eliminate most of the fake outs by using just 5%, by adding some space between my boxes. As you can see, that is a space that is great. Now I am doing fine. That thing broke, but I didn't buy because of that week making equal highs. As you can see, skip ahead. Now I bought it. Now ended up being the third model. Okay, if you have added that 5%, then this thing could have been prevented. This thing, okay, the whole consolidation. And the other thing is, if you see this kind of thing, I consider one big candle and the black box is inside this big candle, then you gotta connect the whole candle, not the inside, okay? Not the inside. You gotta connect the whole candle, just like this one, and add that 5% also, right? As you can see it right here, you can sell that thing right here. So that's a great lesson right here, a great lesson, because because I have seen it a lot of time happen, and trust me, it was not pretty. It was not pretty. I was in profit most of the time, but I didn't take action, and I lost it again. So yesterday on Bitcoin, and the day before yesterday on German 40, the index, I lost money because I didn't take my profits. So you gotta take your profits and add your 5%, and half profit, half of your profit will be out at TP1, and your stop loss will be above. Your stop loss will be following the price, okay? Another black box here. Let's wait for the break. It broke the downside. I sold it and ended up moving up. So I didn't add the 5%. That's why. That's why this thing keeps happening to me. This thing keeps happening to me. As you can see, this thing was amazing. Moved up. We won that thing. That trade. The third model. Right there. Break and retest. So I bought it. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's amazing. Oh, where did I buy? Right there. Not down here. Why? No, that thing could come down, melt down, okay? Eating everything. Come down to this gap right here. So we gotta wait for some bullish advancements. Is there buy? Beautiful. That is not 5%. That is a real one. That is a real one, as you can see. That's a real one. Is there support? It's crazy. As you can see, TP hit. Now what did the market do? It retraced 50% out, and the stop loss don't touch it unless that thing moves up and up and up and up. Beautiful, right? So that's amazing. The other thing is select brokers with tight spreads or zero spreads. I don't think there are brokers with zero spreads, but the tight spreads are very important for the black box. Okay. This thing, binary option, has no spread or anything. You enter at the spot exactly at the market price. But on the real market, what happens is when you enter, you are entering at the other price, not the market price, but the worst price you would ever get. So, uh, zero spread or something is great for the black box. As you can see, buy. Rise was a beautiful buy. Rise. I don't think that's 5% or something. You gotta add 5% and enter riser, boom. Nice entry. It's amazing. Wait for the TP to be hit. I think TP is smashed up there. Now smashed 50% out. Okay. The stop loss will be up a little bit, up a little bit, up. Buy that thing. Yes, that thing moved up and up and up. So skip ahead. Sell. I sold that thing. It was not great. I buy that, but not this one. Still consolidating this thing. Now black box. We got black box here. I bought that, so you can see it. Still a retest, so which means We gotta wait for some bullish candles. I think comes back then. I didn't add some 5%, so that's not good. Let's keep this. As you can see, it ended up being the third model right here. If I had added some 5%, then that thing would have been what? Could have been eliminated. Eliminated. Right there. We had a sell down here. That's a good one. That's a good one. Now we wait for the retest. Let's see. As you can see, the retest, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. TP hit 50% out, stop loss up, down here. That's amazing. And this thing is trying to break the downside. I sold that thing, buy again. Buy again. Add 5% and then you can buy it. Alright, that is a single fake out the third model. So fake that out the upside, not the downside. You gotta add 5%. Add 5% up. Let us skip. Huge consolidation. I sold it as you can see, but I didn't add 5%. So right there, a huge weak format. Again, sell. Yeah, that is a real one. That is a real one, but it didn't went down almost quickly. It retested, lurked around there for some time, and now look what happened. Look what happened. It is melting. It is melting like crazy. Why did you enter here? Okay, why did you enter there? Because you gotta see it on the higher time frames. Okay, if you see these kinds of space, sideways trading, but there is a lot of space between them, there is no black box, and what you gotta do is go to the higher time frames, and the higher time frames will show you that this is like this one. Okay, okay, it is like this one. Then you will enter there. I mostly see the 2 hour time frame, but if the 2 hour time frame is choppy, I will go to the 4 hour time frame, even the daily, okay, to make sense of the black box. Okay, this is a huge space, so you would go to the 30-second time frame. Okay, so let's pump it. That was not a good buy because that thing didn't break up, break the upside. Now you can buy it. Now you can buy it, as you can see. Okay, beautiful. So this thing moved and moved and moved and moved. As you can see, we won that thing. A retest, yet still a retest. As you can see, retest, boom. You can buy that right here. Still supporting that area, so I dismissed it. Another black box. I think this thing broke to the downside. Right. Yep, it did break to the downside. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. It did break to the downside and now moved up. It's crazy, bro. Simple fake out. I added and added and added. What the hell is going on? This is a freaking Forza model right here. Broke the downside, broke the upside. Now it is coming down, which means we will never expect a movement to the upside now. Let's skip ahead. So right there was a box. I don't know why I bought that thing. That's no good. Yep. Now sell, 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 sell. Three of them. Three of them, bro. Three of them. As you can see, I won all of it. Boom. Smashed it. Still a retest. Still a retest. Look at that. I entered again. Look at that. That's crazy. So that thing consolidated. Okay. Still having a resistance around there. Yes. And broke the upside. So you buy using the third model. So the black box is here. As you can see it. This is a breakdown. Then boom up. This thing still can come down. Just like that. Just like that. Let us skip. I added a black box and that thing melted down. Let us skip ahead. Another cell, beautiful. Beautiful cell, that's beautiful cell. Still a retest, so when you see generally also it is a bearish trend. Okay, it broke the upside, so I didn't account for the 5%, so you gotta add the 5%. Yes, it is moving up. This is crazy. Another buy here. Another buy here. Retest right here. So as you can see, it moved up, it moved up, it moved up. Nice buy. TP is not hit, so we expect a little move up. Move up. Yes, now TP is 50% out. 50% out, stop loss will be above your entry. Skip ahead. Skip ahead. Buy right there. Right there, some black box. Yes. Wait for the breakout. The breakout. I think I bought that thing. I didn't, yes. I didn't buy that thing. Guys, there was a sale. Let's skip. There was a sale right there. Buy. Some kind of buy. It it fulfilled everything. The 5% and everything. And now it went down. You can't sell that. Sell it. Come on, man. As you can see, broke down. TP hit 50% out. Stop loss down here. So now retesting. You are out. Now came back up, which means it is time to buy. Since I bought right there, not good. I should have bought up there. Okay, to be sure, you gotta be sure. I sold that thing right there, as you can see it. Sell, smashed it to the downside. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. As you can see, it went down and down and down. That's crazy. Another black box you got there. Now sell it. Beautiful. That's beautiful. You cannot get any more beautiful entries than this. This is amazing, as you can see. Long wicks. It's a retest, break and retest. When you come to the lower time frames, as you can see, this thing is coming down. It just lurks around there to come down. It just kills your time to come down. As you can see, it came down. It's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Look. That's crazy. So that 5% could have saved you this whole lot time, this whole lot money. So you could have entered riser, riser down here. I'm sorry. Then look what happened. That's amazing. It came back up. It's time to buy when that thing breaks. Still a retest. So still a retest. Now you buy. Now you buy that thing. Still a retest. Upside. Yep. 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 Skip it. Not good. Not good. Do not connect like this. Add 5%. Connect that thing. Add 5%. Connect the holding cell right here. So that means that's great. Another black box. I'm sorry, the VLC is acting weird. It's crazy. Sell that one? Yes. Still a retest? It's crazy. I don't know why it deep retraces. It deep retests. That's crazy. It's crazy. But it went up, so it's time to buy. So I didn't feel good about it, so I didn't buy it. You can sell this thing as you can see. Break and retest the second model. Look right here. Look that. Look at that. Right here you can buy this thing. Buy. But if you didn't this one, see this one. Okay. Most people using supply and demand could sell this thing now. But we are using the black box so we can buy it. We have another scenario. TP hit right there as you can see, smashed. As you can see, it moved up, so it is time to buy now. Oh my goodness, so we gotta add 5% hours up there, add 5% down here, so this thing will be prevented. So we can sell that thing again. The fourth model. Okay, let us pump it, let us move on. The hell is going on? Skip this thing moved like crazy, it moved down like crazy. I don't know what I am doing here. Add 5% bro, so you can save your money. Not great, not great. Arm black box, we wait. I bought that thing, supported, came back at me. I bought again, supported, it went down, making the third model right there. I sold it again, so I always tell you that the third model happened a lot, so look what happened. We made money out of it. Another black box here. So you can see nice buy. That is a nice buy. Another black box waiting for the breakout. Not good to wait for the breakout. Add 5%. That's the rule. Now you can sell. That is where you sell, right there. Okay? We don't care about the market going up. That is still a retest. As you can see, still a retest. Came down to our entry, as you can see. That's crazy. Now you buy. Now you buy. Your stop loss is hit up there. Now you buy again. Okay. It is inevitable your stop loss will be hit. So There are some people who ask me if this strategy can be 100% winning. Nope, 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 nope. It cannot win 100%. All of the time, you cannot win all of the time. That's not gonna happen. Rise or sell. That's why we have a risk management. If we win all the time, we would be rich in one trade. I would enter 100 lots and I would make $100,000 in one trade. But unfortunately, that's not the case. So you gotta preserve your capital. You gotta know your setup. You gotta know what's happening in the market using the black box, right? And do the other stuff that I told you, like taking 50% at the TP1 and adding 5% on the black box, adding breathing space so that you can filter out most of the fake outs. Okay, and trailing your stop once uh, the market has moved in your direction a lot of people to your direction, then yeah, you can trade it up and up or down and down if you sold. As you can see, single fake out, I think some kind of single fake out. Nope, it is still a retest. It's crazy. Look at this. A deep retest. Look at this. It's crazy. I entered a buy, a lot of buys as you can see it. Oh my goodness. I won all of them except one. Look at that. That's a retest. Broke and then retested again. So when you see this kind of thing, go to the higher time frames. Okay, that's another rule, another tip, so that these tips can distinguish you from the other 80% traders who don't know what is going on. So you can see another buy, another black box here on top of the first black box. As you can see it, okay? That's a great, that's a great one. That's a great one. Still a retest. Really, really now. It's just crazy. It is just crazy. Still, we didn't break the downside. Not good. This selling was not good. $24 right here. I threw it on everywhere. Still a retest, as you can see. Still a retest. Nope. No, it is not time to sell. It is not time to. Now you can sell that. Now you can sell that. As you can see, we are entering when the market really starts moving. Really starts moving. As you can see. Okay. So this now it went down. It went down and it went down. So that's great. So you can see I sold that thing because of this black box. I'm trying to show you. Oh, the whole thing. You can connect the whole thing and not good. Why would you sell that thing? Because it didn't break. Skip ahead, buy. Beautiful trade. That's a nice buy. Going to your TP never hit. It's going to the TP1, so that's where you get out 50%. Half of your profit should be out right here. Alright, okay. So we are finishing up this video, so bear with me. As you can see, both there ended up uh, retracing back. Still, what? Still a retest, I think. Yeah. If you add your 5%, still a retest. You could have sold your. You could have saved your money. Let's keep this thing. I think this thing moved up and up and up. As you can see it, in lurking around, supporting, and this thing moved up. It's crazy. I don't know why it wants to be choppy. The direction is known. Why would the market be choppy? because there are high frequency traders, not humans. There are robots, there are computer systems, like softwares and AI, which are trading on the milliseconds time frame. That's why they are moving it like this. It moves down, comes back. It moves. It sets their profit taking and buys their profit taking, sells their profit taking, and they made the market crazy. They made the market chaotic. It is chaotic enough. No human can understand what is going on. It is crazy. So you can see break and retest. Nice. No human can comprehend what the hell is going on here. So these algorithmic traders, they are uh, damaging the system. They are damaging the system. Some are arguing that the algorithmic trading should be stopped, should be abolished, and the others argue that they have no effect. They are just doing their thing, and they do not affect the market at all. The markets are affected by the fundamental situations, the fundamental uh, scenario. So there are two groups who are antagonist and protagonist of the algorithmic trading. Okay, some support it and some are against it. So I am against them. I am against them. It should be fair and fair environment. As you can see, I bought right there. And look, this is beautiful. This is amazing. This trading should be smooth like that one, like the previous one. We don't want just like this kind of wicks and wicks everywhere, like just like this one. That's not good. That's not good. What is the point? It is moving to the upside, but it moves up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and it comes down, and the direction is to the upside. What is the point of coming down? If that, unless it is for to kill time. So there is, and some say that there is another element into this. That is time. Okay, that is time. If the time is slow and if the price has to be somewhere before the time is over, then what they gonna do is they jump it to the desired price. They jump it, which means making a void, making a wick, making everything a jump trading, and it opens down here and it closes down here, it opens up there, it closes down here, it opens up there. When you see it, there is a void, there is a blank space between them. That is where, because of time, okay, because of time. And some say that it happens because there is a bank feeling, a bank when on Sundays, markets open on Sundays evening or on Sundays, right? So what happens is when the banks fix, yes, bank fixing, yes, bank fixing means the rate will be fixed, which means for this one, this is dollar Mexican, what the hell is this, peso, Mexican peso. And when this thing is being fixed, there will be some kind of jumping, or there will be gaps. Gaps will be formed in the market. When the market starts trading for the first time in a week, it opens on Monday, right? The forex market. So there will be some gaps. And the others argue that that is because of time. When the time is late, what they are gonna do is they jump, open there, they jump and open there, they jump and open there, and you call that a void, or a gap, okay, between them. In the market, in later times, it comes back to fill that, okay, to cover that. But look, Look this. That's what I'm talking about. This is a gap right here. This is a gap. Closes there, opens up there. Closes there, opens up there. It didn't trade down. It opened up and making a gap. So it is trying to reach somewhere before the time expires. Okay, there is time. Okay, so that's why this thing is happening. Right? Another black box here. Buy. Or I skip this thing. Another black box here. I skip this thing. I think I sold this one. Yes. Sell that thing. Retrace. Still retest. We don't care. Still a retest. Yep. There we go. A lot of people could get out right there when that thing made a bullish candle. Oh man, I am wrong again. What the hell is going on? Come on, man. You gotta wait. Wait. If you know your setup, you gotta wait. Right? That could be a retest. Most of the time, that is a retest. And you don't have patience and you get out before you make profits. That's not good. You gotta have patience. You gotta have patience. If you know your setup, like the black box, you gotta have patience. Okay. As you can see, most of the time there is a huge deep retracement, deep support. So, as you can see, deep supports. Most of people could get out right there, but the professionals wait until their TP is hit above there. The TP is above there. Okay, you gotta wait for that. Otherwise, if that thing breaks down, your stop loss is hit. That is inevitable. Inevitable. On some day, on some ways, your stop loss would be hit. You cannot be immune to this. You cannot. Everybody loses money. Everybody. The point is preserving your account, preserving your money, not giving out to the market, and adding a little bit of more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Right? That is the point of trading. That is rising your capital day to day, rising your capital, right? And not blowing it up. So that's it. This is all that I wanted to show you. So thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the black box, I have a video that I made a month ago, so you can watch it. It is right here. I'm sorry, right here. Okay, it's right here, so you can watch. I will place it right here. Okay, so you can watch that one, and you will have. I have compared most of the traditional trading methods like supply and demand zones, trend line breakouts, and this indicator trading, smart money concepts. Okay, I have discussed all of them and their profitability, researched more on them, and I have placed all the researches I have found, and you can watch the video there. Okay, on your right, on your left. I'm sorry, on your left. So I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for watching. Peace out.